Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to clone a GitHub repository using Visual Studio Code. So here you can see I am signing into my GitHub account and you can see this is my repository. Inside this repo you can see index.html and style.css. These are the files available inside this repository. So to clone this repository into your local machine, click on this code option and then click on HTTPS and copy the URL. Now open the Visual Studio Code into your local machine and here you can see clone git repository, or click on this icon and here you can see the another option, clone the repository, right? So click on this clone repository and paste the URL you copied from the GitHub and click on enter. So now it is asking you to select the destination folder to clone the repository. So I will select destination folder, this one, okay, source code, right? Slash C/Ganesh source code. Select this folder and it is asking you to open that window, right? So here you can see the repository clone into your local machine and it is open into the Visual Studio Code. Here you can see the index.html and style.css. So now you can start working on this file. And if you go back to that folder, you can see that repository, right, clone into this destination folder. Right. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching.